Welcome to our channel, ready to discover the easiest method to log into your Indeed employer account. Let's get started. Welcome to our channel, ready to discover the easiest method to log into your Indeed employer account. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, and go to the official Indeed website by typing www.indeed.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on Sign In to proceed to the login page. If you are an employer, you need to make sure you select the employer login option rather than the job seeker login. This option is usually clearly indicated just below or above the sign-in fields. Enter your registered email address associated with your employer account, ensuring there are no typing errors. Then enter your password carefully, making sure to observe uppercase and lowercase letters, as well as any numbers or special characters. Next, click the Sign In button after submitting your credentials. If you have set up two-factor authentication, complete the verification process by entering the code sent to your email or phone. Now, you should be successfully logged into your Indeed employer dashboard. Here you can manage job postings, review applications, and perform other employer-related tasks. If you encounter any difficulties, such as forgotten password, simply click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset it. Typically, this involves entering your email to receive a reset link via email if you are new to Indeed and do not have an employer account. Yet you can create one easily by clicking on the Sign Up or Create Account option. Then fill in the required business and contact information to set up your employer profile. In summary, logging into your Indeed employer account is straightforward as long as you follow these simple steps carefully. Always make sure you access the correct login page and keep your credentials secure to protect your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more practical tips and helpful guides.